I'm asking you to do this just once. Mouse tail, I know you can do it. Will you please do it for me? Sure, Blood Pelt. I will, I guess. Let me go get your Princess Darkpaw. Darkpaw! Darkpaw! She meowed.
Darkpaw, there you are. Oh, hey! Oh, hey, Mousetail. What is it? Your mentor, Blood Pelt, wants me to take you for your hunting lesson. Oh, okay, all right. Let's go.
Alright, come on, Darkpaw. Here's some of the hunting ground. Alright. I'll check out if I can smell any prey. I smell squirrel. Beep, 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 beep. No, a mouse. Stay down. Meow. Killed it. Good job. Good job, Darkpaw. Good job, Darkpaw. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Now, let's keep hunting. Put some earth over that while I go find some more prey. Okay. Today's been strange. I wonder what's going on with Blood Pelt. Kind of worried. Backing. I meant to say on the way back to camp alone with Darkpaw was walking on the way back to camp. It was me. I'm Darkpaw. Walking all the way back to camp alone without Mousetail. That. Huh? Ouch. Badger! There's a badger! Its back is shriveled up. Slashes it with claws. I'm gonna claw slash you. You monster. Sorry guys, that was glitchy. Ow. It hurts. It looks dead now. I will leave. My job was done to kill a cat. It hurts. Mouse tail. Mouse tail. Mouse tail. Mouse tail. Huh? Darkpaw! Darkpaw, what happened? A badger attacked me. What? Badger? How did that? How did that happen? Oh, my dog, kid. You look like... Come on, let's get you back to camp. She was on a roof of some kind. She was on a roof. Where am I? Welcome to StarClan, little one. What? I'm in StarClan? No, we were just kidding, little one. No, we were just joking, little one. Oh. We were just kidding, youngster. No need to worry. We were kidding. We were kidding. We were kidding. We were kidding, don't worry. I may be a dog, but doesn't mean anything. I know a lot about this stuff. You're hurt. By the looks of it, you're hurt. You're about to die, but I will help the medicine cat, your medicine cat, save your life. With the touch of helping and loving from a wolf. I will see you once again as a wolf. You'll see me once again as a wolf that's alive. Goodbye. Goodbye, Darkpaw. Goodbye, Darkpaw. Goodbye, Darkpaw. Okay, guys. Hold on, sorry. Let me zoom out. Okay, guys, so to be continued. Thank you. Bye.